Hey guys, we're back today, and it's gonna be a simple one, but I'm gonna show you guys how to remove and replace your battery. Okay, it's 2015 Crosstrek. You need number 10. First things first, go ahead and disconnect the negative side. Loosen that 10, and then it's stuck on this plastic. You can, boom. I usually put it like behind this cables here, easy, so it's out of your way. Then you got this guy right here. Make sure you don't ground yourself when you do that one. Loosen that 10, wiggle this thing, and it should come out, and then put that like that, so it's out of the way. You got two 10s right here. Okay, you loosen this up all the way, and you loosen this guy up all the way. Don't take it off don't take the bolt out completely. There's little, see these guys, there's a little hook that hooks onto. All right, so if you can see it, how it is, there's a long one that goes in the front, short one goes in the back. There's little holes where it hooks into. So I'm gonna put this right here for right now. The battery, you can slide out and pull up like this and pull it out of the way. So your battery's now out, and we are going to put the battery back in. Alright guys, so you replace the battery. It's got a tray, okay, and it's got big one, small one, and the face is forward, so this thing needs to sit, these holes sit just like that, facing forward. There's little holes behind it so it sits comfortably on there. When this goes back in, you see these little holes right here, and there's one hole right here. Look, I'll show you guys. Right here and right here. See how I have it right here? These are the two holes that holds the battery. So once we get the battery in there, we gotta wiggle these guys into these holes and kind of hold it and tighten it down. That's the most, to me, the most challenging part, is getting these guys in once the battery's in. So I wanted to show you guys where these holes were, so you know what you're looking for when when you're going back in it. So, oops, move it the other way. All right. Here's the fun part. Is getting these guys in. All right, I got that one side in, and then so I'm kind of pulling this up with my finger over there so I don't lose it. And then there you go. I got both of them in, so I'm gonna hold it like this with my fingers. And make sure this thing's not wobbly. And then I'm gonna tighten this. All right. And then secure. That one a little smoother than usual. So you can go ahead and put your positive cable back on. Make sure it's nice and snug, and you don't have to use a power drill. You can use just a regular 10 wrench if you'd like. And there's a little red cover that goes on it. I don't know what I did with mine, but make sure you put that red cover on. And then we got the negative terminal right here. This plastic goes on that. Make sure you put that in first, because it gets harder once this is in. And then put this in all the way like that. And tighten it. And that's how you replace a battery. So a few questions that come to mind. If you have any radio settings or preset and all that, you're probably going to lose all that. If you have seat settings, whatever, you're going to lose all that. So you need to go back in there and preset everything. So if there's like addresses and like Bluetooth setup, all that through your stereo, those will be fine. You might just lose all your channels. You might have to just the presets of the channels is all you will end up losing. And that's it for the battery today, guys. Subscribe to us. We got more battery videos coming. And thanks for watching.